Hey, Michelle here from The Creative Wild Heart. So, did you know that you can add QR codes to your spreadsheets? So, I know that's not something that you would put spreadsheets and QR codes together, but you can actually add a QR code to your spreadsheet. And you're probably wondering, why would I do that? And so, I was pondering it the other day because I was like, QR codes are pretty awesome. If you don't know what a QR code is, it's just an image with a whole bunch of dots or squares where you could take your smartphone camera, you can put the camera on it, and you'll see in your screen it will pop up a link, and you can easily click the link and it'll go to a specific website. So it's an easy way to get customers or our audience to click on a link and go somewhere. And the reason why I was thinking of adding it to my spreadsheets is because, well, on my Start Here pages, this is where I introduce myself. I also have some basic instructions for the whatever spreadsheet the person's purchasing. So I have my little welcome here and I let people know who I am. And I do usually have a link down there to be like, this is my next step that I want to bring them to. So whether it's I want them to go back to my website to shop for more spreadsheets, or maybe I want them to sign up for my email list and I might give them a freebie or an opt-in in exchange for that email. Maybe I'm recommending the next most relevant product. So I do usually have a link inside of my little Start Here bio area, but it kind of gets hidden. So if you don't really pay attention to it, people might just skip over this and go to the next page of the spreadsheet. But by having a QR code in here, it's a huge visual and it's kind of like, oh, what is that? That means I need to scan it so I can click on the link. I wonder where it's going to go, type of thing. So it's a great visual reminder of the next step that we want our customers to take. So I would probably use this in my Start Here page in order to introduce them to either the next relevant product. So if I'm giving them an intro product, it would probably link them to the next product in their customer journey. I might do it, so this one specifically, if you scan this, so if you go get your smartphone and you open up the camera and you scan this QR code, it will take you to my sign up sheet for the Wild Heart Spreadsheet Academy, which is my free Google Sheets mini course. So if you're brand new to Google Sheets, this is an awesome mini course that you could take for free, but that's what it links to. So I'm recommending the next either product or a mini freebie that I can get in exchange for an email. They can come on my list and people receive my mini course or whatever is your freebie opt-in in exchange for it. So it's a great way to get people onto your email list or to take the next step within your business. So I'm actually going to show you how to make these. It's quite simple. I didn't realize how simple it would be, but let's hop over to, actually, I'm going to shrink this a bit once I hop over here. So I'm going to bring this down. There we go. I'm in Google Chrome currently. So if you're using Google Chrome, it's super easy to create a QR code. All you have to do is go to that website in a new tab. So I'm on this website. This is my sign up page. I want to share the link to this and my QR code. So all I'm going to do is hop over to my three dots over here. And of course I got to move my head out of the way. There we go. So do the three dots and go to save and share, and then go down to create QR code. And so what this does is it creates a cute one. For Google, it's going to have a little dinosaur down here. So if you don't mind dinosaurs, it's right there. And you can see this is going to be the link, and you can either copy it or download it. So for Google Sheets, you're going to download it. So you click on download, it's going to download. And what we're going to do is we're going to hop back into our spreadsheet, and I'm going to show you how to add it. I'm also going to show you after this how to create one in Canva in case you don't want to use the free Google Chrome one. So to insert it, all you would do is insert image over cells, and that's when you would select your QR code. It's going to pop in somewhere, so let me delete the old one, and I'm going to select the new one, and you could just resize it by just moving those the corners in or out, and then you can resize it and move it there. And so now my customers, when they get my spreadsheet, they'll read a little bit of my bio, but they'll see, hey, there's a QR code. Maybe I should go scan it, and they can scan it and it will send them to where I want to send them now. It's just a great visual reminder for our customers. So I showed you how to do it in Google Chrome, but now I'm going to show you how to do it in Canva, because Canva has some cool QR code generators. There we go. So what you want to do is sign into your Canva account. I'm pretty sure you can use the free account for this. You're going to open up a new document. So mine is just 500 by 500 pixels. And then go over to your apps and then look for QR codes. And there's a few different ones. So I'm going to try this one, which is the one made by Canva, is called QR code. We can open. Then you want to take your URL. So I'm going to just copy and paste my URL over. And then you can generate code. So this is one version of it. So now I can make it a little bit bigger, and then I can center it, and I can scan it. Because right now, if we go over here again, you can see the Google one has a white background to it. So at least with Canva, we can create a transparent background. So I'm going to hop over back to Canva. For a transparent background, you do need to have the Pro option. So just in case you're wondering, I'm sure you can use background removers, but if you do have the Pro version of Canva, you can easily just download this. So I can click on share, go to download. For me, I'm doing a PNG with a transparent background, and then I'm going to download. And then it's going to download with a transparent background. And let's say QR code. And I'm just putting in a random name. Transparent. There we go. But I also want to show you another app. So if we close the QR code, oh, get out of there. Where am I? This is what I hate about the new Canva. I'm like, where am I? I'm in all my old folders, but I don't know. Oh, there we go. Apps. And so we're just going to open up the dynamic QR codes. And so this actually gives you a whole bunch of different options of the style that you want to add, which is what I like. So if you want to do more circular, or you can even have one that says scan me, like this one says scan me. So we can do circular, square. So let's do the scan me one because I think that one's cute. You can insert your link. Then you can also add in a logo or an image of something. So if I wanted to do like an icon of a spreadsheet or my URL, or not my URL, words, my logo of my business, I can upload it here and it actually saves in the middle. So I'm going to upload one of my old ones. Let me see, where's my branding? Let's see. You can see my organization system. There we go, logo. Oh, back. Maybe I just want to use one of my favicons or my watermark. There we go. Add that in there. And so what it does is it actually puts it in the middle. So if your brand is recognizable, you can have in your logo there. And then we could change the pattern color as well. So we can change it to whatever we want. So as you can see, it's changing that. We can change the eye color, which is like the little eyes right here. So we could do that. So you can match it up to your branding colors too. Or you could just copy over the pattern color to this one. This is the frame color. So as you can see, you can get really customized with your branding colors. And then if you want to have the background or a background color, you don't need a background, that I know. Add to design. It's going to add it in. And then I can just resize it so it fits in my frame perfectly. There we go. And then I would just download this. And then as you can see, you can customize it as much as you want. So this one is the dynamic QR codes. So if I go back to our app area, it was the dynamic QR code. So this is the one where you can customize, add your own flavor to it. And then you would just download it as a PNG. If you don't have the Pro version, you could just save it as a PNG or a JPEG just without the transparent background. And once you save it, you would just, again, come over here. We can get out the old one, insert image over cells. And then we can select, so this is the new one that I just made with the transparent background. Oh, yeah. So it does the transparent around here, but it doesn't do the transparent behind the black. So That's a good thing to keep in mind, but at least now I know that my little white background's a little bit smaller than what it was before. So then there's my QR code and I can just save it as this. And then there you go. So your customers can easily access whatever link you want to send their way. And just let them know what it is. So like up here, I merged some cells together to create a title area and let them know that they can join the free Google Sheets mini course by scanning this and then signing up for the course. So you can also sign up too if you scan this. But yeah, if you have any questions about creating a QR code or adding it to your spreadsheet, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.